Thanks for joining us in this edition of Renovation Time. We're in the most underrated room in the entire house. This is where you want to spend a little bit of money and a little bit of thought to make sure it flows well and has everything that you need in this room. So we have a garage door here coming in from the garage, so we need to have storage for your coats and your boots and all that stuff. So look at this. This is everybody's dream. Hooks aren't installed yet. Client hasn't put those up yet. But we have a nice bench here, which is great. And then we have 3 storage areas here for your boots and your winter toques and your gloves. And then 2 large pantries on either side, or cabinets on either side for hanging your coats. I think we have a broom in that one. This one's just shelving, but I think we can actually put our vacuum in here, your Dyson as well, and then your brooms, and then full upper cabinets. So just brilliant. So all our coats are in here, so a lot of storage can be fit into this area here. Now over here, and originally the washer dryer was over and kind of tucked in this corner, front loading washer dryer with a full countertop, cabinets to the ceiling, which is great. So lots of area here for folding, for storage, which is really nice. And the other thing I really like is the sink. We put a sink in here with a faucet, but we kept it at the same level. So I'm a tall guy. I love this because I don't know, it's right here. It's perfect. Another thing you can do is just drop it down and have the sink a little bit lower, but the client wanted it like this just to keep, again, that seamless countertop look. Some storage in here, another pantry, so overflow for the large kitchen, which I don't think you'd need any more room, but they might. So anyway, this is a beautiful room, designed well, love everything about it, and hope you like it too.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Anden Kitchen and Bath Center. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.